So we are getting a little snow again coming in here, and it's snowing pretty darn good. I'm actually waiting for two other trucks to get back here so we can get them in the shop and be safe. I don't know what time it is, 8:30 or so, but hopefully we get them back. We got a semi out and we got the 45 out yet. I'm just praying that they get back here safe because interstate, they're just backed up all over Des Moines. So hopefully they get back here within the hour and we can go from there. But yeah, we're getting another snowstorm going through here this morning and everything, so makes it interesting. But we got a little bit done. We were out early. The other guys were out, they went out way early this morning. In fact, I think they were back by 4 o'clock. They must have gone out at midnight last night. So it's all part of winter in Iowa. Biggest thing you pray for is just everybody's safe. You get your trucks back so you're not playing bumper car with everything. But you know, if you just sit inside, it's pretty to just watch this. But you know, so anyway, that's about all I've got for the rest of the morning, and we'll be out. I am going to move some snow out in front of our doors, so we are ready to go in the morning. So I'm gonna get my truck out of the way. I'm gonna get that plow out here, and we are going to move some snow. We got some new splash guards put on this truck over the weekend. They should keep that mud and stuff and snow and everything and crud from flying up on the back of the truck, the tractor there, and all over the tank and everything. Hopefully they work out great. They should. But yeah, sure there's enough clearance there and everything. Hopefully we don't rip them up. But yeah, those will be nice. Before we just had quarters on here like the other truck. I'll show you here. These have a gap in them, and there's no way that you're going to keep mud and rain and snow and all the crud from flying up between that. I don't even know why they even stick these on a truck. They're those quarters. We'll probably get some halves put on this truck too to protect that whole opening there, because that opening, it just comes up and flies over the back of the truck and gets all your wet kit all wet and everything. It just makes a mess. It's just a muddy mess all the time. So, you know, and it sprays up on the old truck, it gets everything all dirty. So from now on, we are going to try and keep these cleaner, but it's almost impossible in the wintertime. It really is. There's no doubt about it. But we're going to give it a try, and you know, if it's $1,500 to put them on and keep those trucks from getting all slopped up every day, it'll make a big difference for us. So yeah, I'm excited to see what it does and talk to the guys and see how great those work. Should make a big difference. The other thing I wanted to show everybody is that besides putting on those mud splash guards, mud flaps, whatever you want to call them, splash guards, was putting new work lights on this 05. We had some other ones that were on there that came with it in 05, you know, these work lights. Then were like these up here, these square ones. And I'm going to show you the difference, I think, but I did this over the weekend. Let me just flip these on here quick, and I'll show you the difference. Let's see, where's these dang work lights? There they are. How bright these son of a guns are compared to the other ones. It's amazing. I just couldn't believe it when I first saw it and everything and worked with it, but it was a pretty simple fix. Let me turn these on. I'll just compare what it looks like. The two. I think you're going to see a huge difference. Probably can't see me back here in this dark area of the shop, but anyway, we'll go over here and maybe you'll see me a little bit better. But I'm going to show you these, which are the old work lights. Just how bright that is. Those are the old square ones. How bright that is on there. Now, let's look at the new work lights. I mean, holy smokes, we got light now. These things, I think I could bring in jet planes at the airport with these, but the brightness is just unbelievable difference between those round ones and these old square ones. I mean, it's like, yeah, they're a little dirty, but oh my gosh, the difference in the two is amazing. Just amazing, the new technology. This is an 07, this is the 05 truck, but the difference, it's just amazing to me. Yeah, I'm really glad, and it wasn't that hard to put those on. I mean, even I can do that. I'm not real mechanical, but I can do it. And it's amazing to me how great. Let me shut this off here so we don't have a battery worn down in the morning when we want to go to work. But yeah, it's pretty amazing to me to see the difference, and that wasn't that hard of a job. It really wasn't, but I am totally thrilled with these new lights, and yeah, I can't wait to see if we can light up where we're working, and it really should do a heck of a job for us. So very pleased. Let me get this shut off in this truck so don't wear anything down for tomorrow. Work lights are right there. Okay, so yeah, that was a pretty simple fix. The other thing, you probably notice I'm not wearing my glasses. I've had to wear those glasses since I was, I don't know, my mid 40s, 50, I don't know, I can't see, you know, to read things close up and everything. But I got cataract surgery here in the last couple, 3 weeks. Got them both done, and it's amazing. Pretty amazing how much better I can see. It's just really the colors and the brightness and everything. It's amazing. So if you guys are getting to that age where an eye doctor tells you, hey, you know, you're getting some cataracts, don't hesitate, get them done. It's amazing. Just get them done. So, you know, I got a couple trucks fixed, a couple repairs on the trucks, and a couple of repairs on me, my eyes. I feel like I'm 35, 40 years old again, and makes me feel pretty good. So glad I had it done. So keep up the maintenance on everything, your trucks and yourself, and you should be able to run for a long time. I'm out.